Welcome to our presentation on reducing energy consumption in school buildings through the use of smart technology. Typically, schools can achieve energy savings of 30 to 40% using smart technology for occupancy-based and scenario-based management of HVAC and lighting systems, with return on investment times as low as a few years. The unique self-powered, batteryless wireless sensors and switches can be installed in new buildings and easily retrofitted to older buildings to control classroom lighting, shading, ventilation, cooling, and heating. Air conditioning or heating can be switched off or back on whenever classroom windows are opened or when classrooms are unoccupied. Shading can be automatically governed by sunlight intensity, positively affecting AC usage. Electric lighting can be adjusted automatically based on natural light intensity and classroom occupancy. These devices can all be easily installed in a matter of minutes without the need for invasive, messy masonry or redecorating work, and no dealing with issues such as asbestos. Solutions can be implemented on a standalone local basis or as part of an integrated building automation solution with local or cloud analytics. Alternatively, data can be transmitted via existing Wi-Fi networks with local or cloud analytics. A multitude of interoperable devices based on the international EnOcean open standard are available from hundreds of vendors. These devices are already installed in millions of buildings, helping to save energy costs and reduce CO2 output. For more information about how you can achieve significant energy savings in school buildings, visit the provided link or www.enoceanalliance.org.